Yeah, I'm Dr. Joshatan Maleke. Welcome back to Exploring Lifestyles and Legacies. And today we are with Mr. Rodreck, and he's going to tell us what he's exhibiting here at the Gallagher Convention Center. You can go ahead and greet our viewers and tell us all about your nice products here.
Thank you for connecting. Thank you for joining us. My name is Rodreck, as you've heard. Thank you guys for stopping here. Here we've got solar geysers. We have two of them here, two different products, and all of them are low pressure geysers. So I'm going to start with this one. Basically, this is a solar crest. It's made of plastic. Basically, 100% plastic. So this one, it's 125 liters. And this one, which is the high-tech, it's 100 liters, but we have two sizes. We have 100 liter and 150 liters. So this one, if you are in town, it's more preferable than this. This one was actually made for rural areas, whereby you might be experiencing like monkeys, bubbles, breaking the tubes. So here's your solution. And some areas whereby they have heavy water, and the water that's contained with salt, like in the Limpopo side, they experience that a lot, and it causes this type of geysers to rust. So here's the answer, here's the solution. So this is our inlet, this top one, this inlet. You can come from this side, you can see nice view. This is the proper angle. So this is our inlet here. It feeds from here and feeds the big tank, as well as the collector. This is our collector, the one that heats up the water. And as heats up the water, the cold water goes at the bottom and the hot water goes on top. So it pushes up. So it pushes up and feeds the big tank again. And the same circulation until the big tank is full. And we have our outlet, which is the one you have to access hot water. It is on top. Since we always have hot water on top. So our outlet's on top. On this one, it works with the tubes. It works with the tubes. So this one, you can have access of water even there is no water. Let's say the water cuts, like cold water, the one we supply from the municipality cuts, you still have access to drain it. Like 3 or 4 people can still be able to bath and finish, because our outlet is at the bottom. So you still have access of hot water from the bottom. It is a dual. It can also use an element for a backup, like especially this winter we're entering now, we need a backup. So here is our element. This can come closer. For the high-tech, here is our element and solar controller. And on this one, we have the backup element as well for the Crest one, which is optional. So it's easy to install, no glass, no breakages, rust resistance, and so on.
Oh, that's great, Mr. Rodreck. But you didn't tell us about the prices.
The prices, okay.
I know the advantage for that one is the rural one.
Yes.
And monkeys and baboons won't be able to break the glass.
And the lifespan.
This one.
Okay, perfect. Okay. On this one it's 100 liter is going for 4,800. The 150 liters is going for 699. So basically we're saying 7,000. So this is the price for the show. So if you want to get this price after the show, we'll give you the business card. It's going to show on your screen. And this one, which is the Solar Crest, is going for 6,500. At the moment, we have only one size, which is 125 liters. It's going for 6,500. We have one size. And this is an SA made locker. And this is an import. Thank you.
Okay, that's great. Thank you very much.
Thanks, man. Okay, so this is how our inlet looks like inside. So this is how it sits. So basically, it's fully plastic, as you can see. Fully plastic. So this is our inlet. This is one that stops the water and free. Alright. So our big tank inside the big tank here. This is how it looks like. This is the thickness. This is the outer layer. And this is the foam. And we have the inner layer. So this is the one that keeps the water. So meaning that if you have to refill, if you refill it with hot water, your water can stay up to 24 hours or 48 hours, depends. It will be hot, the temperature doesn't drop quick. And you can see the thickness whereby...
Because of that foam is insulation, yeah?
Correct. So when it comes about damages, if there's a damage, it will be only affecting outside. There's no way for it to penetrate to the inner tank. So the inner tank is always safe. In case of what it's busted, it doesn't bust.
So it's a tank inside another tank.
Correct. It's not just like a total tank whereby just plastic throughout. There's a foam which that will protect and prevent the heat
from escaping.
Correct. And we also have our collector. There is the collector. This is the one that heats up the water. And just cut half the sample so that you see how it looks like. So water goes inside here, heats up, pushes back, and fill the big tank. So this is how it looks like. It's guaranteed. It can give you 10 years to 20 years. Nothing will happen to this. This is South African made. We are based in Durban. Thank you.
That's great. Thank you very much.